guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how I deep condition my hair. Well, actually I use it for a pre-poo, but you can also use it to deep condition your hair. But I'm going to show you how I do my pre-poo using my okra mixture right here. I will also show you how I got it here, how I mixed it up and got it in here. So I'm going to show you that also. Last year what I discovered for my hair was the aloe vera pre-poo mixture for my hair. That really did good to my hair. But yeah, I believe sometimes you should switch up a bit in that what you put on your hair, because your hair is changing as well, and sometimes it requires different methods and new methods and stuff like that. So I randomly came across this okra mixture thing. I'm like, wow, okay, that's an eye-opener for me. So I thought I'm going to try it out, and I've tried it out before, and guys, it was amazing. The slip that this thing gives to your hair, how it helps you detangle your hair. And nowadays my hair gets dry a lot because I don't have a lot of time to be moisturizing it and nurturing it the way I used to do it before I had a baby. So right now my hair tends to get dry more often because I don't give it all that love anymore. All the love is going to Andre now. So yeah, I saw it and I'm like, okay, I'm going to try this out, and I tried it out and it works really amazing for me. So I'm going to try it out on camera so that you guys can see it. Maybe you guys can also use it or try it out or something, or even maybe you're trying it out already. Let me know if you have already tried it out and how it worked for you. So yeah, I'm going to switch up a bit of my regimen for this winter. I will let you know how my regimen is going to look like for this winter. I think maybe I'll write a blog post about it, or maybe I'll put a link down here or up here or there where you can download my regimens for the winter time. So yeah, let's get straight into how I do it, and I'll come back and show you how I apply it. You guys have seen how I prep for the okra. It's really easy, really nothing complicated. What you have to do is wait till it cool down before you apply it on your hair, and what's left over you can just keep it in the fridge or something, or you can also twist your hair because it is a gel, so you can actually style your hair with it. So right now I'm just going to apply it to my hair. My hair has been in a bun for the past 3-4 days, I think, because I washed it and I deep conditioned it and I twisted it up and I put it in a bun because I didn't have a lot of time to do any other style with it. And last year I did a lot of styles with my hair. That's because I made it actually a challenge for myself to try out new style. Well, this year I don't have that challenge, so I don't feel obligated to try out new styles anyway. So yeah, I had it in a bun for like 4 days or something like that. So I'm going to spread my hair into sections. I'm going to section my hair in 4 sections. And I'm going to work with the okra. I'm not going to spray anything on my hair. I'm just going in with my okra mixture. I added a few oils in here. I added avocado oil, and I added peppermint oil, rosemary oil, and tea tree oil, because I also put it on my scalp, so I want the scalp treatment as well. application, and this is how it's looking like. It is dripping quite a lot, but that's because this batch that I made, I put a lot of water in it. So maybe if you don't want it to be dripping a lot, you can put less water in it. The less water you put in it, the more slimier it gets. So the more it holds on to your hair. So that's something I will do the next time. So I'm going to go ahead and put my saran wrap around it. And I'll wait till 30 minutes and then I'll wash it out and go ahead and shampoo my hair. I don't think I'll shampoo my hair today because I shampooed my hair not too long ago, like maybe a week ago. So I think I'll go ahead and just do I'll use the As I Am cleansing cream. That's what I'm going to use afterwards, and then I'll go ahead and deep condition my hair. So I think I'll come back and let you see how everything came together. So yeah, I'll go ahead and wait. I'll put a shower cap on top of it, or maybe a plastic bag or something, so that I'll get more heat because it's getting colder nowadays. And then I'll go ahead and cleanse my hair with my As I Am cleansing cold wash cleansing thing. And then I'll go ahead and deep conditioner, and I'll come back and let you guys see how it looks like. So yeah, stay tuned. So I went ahead and washed out all the okra out of my hair, and I co-washed my hair with my As I Am cleansing cream. And after that, I went ahead and made my hair air dry. My hair feels really strong and soft at the same time, and it's also really detangled because the okra gives me a lot of slip, so I can detangle really well with this okra gel. I really love this product. I'm really glad that I found it out, and this is something that I will keep on repeating in my regimen this winter. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and style my hair, and I'm also going to use the okra gel to style my hair just to see how it comes out and all those things, just to experiment how an okra gel works on my hair. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video because then I'll be showing you how I style my hair with the okra gel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.